Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you guys really quick how to bulk upload your videos onto Facebook. For the longest time it was a pain in the ass to schedule a lot of content on Facebook, especially if you're trying to schedule like an entire month's worth. Like if unless you used a third-party platform like Later, where you can just drag and drop everything, and if you didn't use any third-party platforms, what you would used to do is you would have to like drag and drop and write everything one by one, wait for this to upload, and it would just be a waste of time and kind of a nightmare to schedule video content in bulk for Facebook. But now there's something new on Facebook, and it's been out for a while. I didn't really get to play with it this much until over the weekend. So they have Creator Studio, which I think is the equivalent of the YouTube Creator Studio, because Facebook understands that videos where it's at, that's where a lot of the attention is. That's why they're incentivizing a lot of people with a huge following or a lot of original shows. Not Will Smith, Jada Pinkett Smith with the Red Table, Lewis Howes with Inspired Life. They're bringing on people with a massive platform to start creating original shows. Like Lonzo Ball from the Lakers and his family have Ball in the Family. So they're really pushing original content for Facebook Watch, and you notice it similarly with Instagram TV, where they're starting to push it with that route. Now, you can see that Facebook is serious about it is because you can have monetization in this as well, which is very similar to how YouTube is. So, I don't know how much this is really going to affect YouTube and YouTube creators. I mean, there's a very strong loyalty with them, for YouTube creators. But I think in terms of land grab, if you can start grabbing the attention from people as an original show on Facebook Watch, or even an original show natively formatted for Instagram TV, and then they start rolling out the opportunity to be monetized for it, and you have a big platform based off that show, I think that's a huge win right there. Not to knock off YouTube, because there's so much attention there as well. It can be hard and tough for people who are just starting out. That's not to say it's impossible. It's still entirely possible to become successful on YouTube. Also, considering that this is pretty much a land grab right now, and how big Facebook's platform is, like worldwide, there's over 2 billion users. Like, it might not be as popular as some people where you are in the States, but it's very, very, very popular still everywhere else. And with them trying to push video, it makes sense if you want to promote your content here as well. So what I'm generally doing is you taking my YouTube content and sharing it here. So obviously you can just write something here and you can share it on all the pages you're managing. This is what's exciting, because you can get monetized, and you can see which one is eligible. But I'm gonna go deeper into this way later, and you can even see right here which ones, like from all the pages you're managing, you see all the posts that are doing really well. Or excuse me. So if you want to upload a video, going into the main purpose of this video, is if you want to upload a video, you can go single post or multiple videos. This is my most recent episode of Emeroy TV, so I'm gonna get all the ones I think were greatly edited, then open, select the page I want to upload it to, boom, and it just goes right there. I'll show you guys in a bit why this is such a great thing in terms of uploading the videos natively on Facebook and bulk uploading it natively on Facebook versus using a third-party platform like Later. And I love this platform because it's my favorite multi-platform scheduling tool and managing all the accounts. But the fact that I can upload a lot of things here natively, I'll show you in a bit. Once it's done, I'll show you guys just exactly why I thoroughly enjoy this. Alright, so now that we have at least one video completed, we can actually go into editing the details about it. So this is complete. All you gotta do is click this little pencil button here, okay, and then start editing. What this does, it brings up a little pop-up right here. It brings this up. Boom. The title, describe your video, okay, video details, thumbnail, just like in YouTube. I haven't created a thumbnail for this one yet, so I'm not going to upload anything. You can add an image, you can distribute it to all the pages that you manage, or in your business manager if you have if you're using the business manager. So that means all the pages that you're managing are going to be able to share this same video without having to re-upload it. So that's just another advantage of you of just uploading this natively to Facebook. Okay, so tracking. I'm not too sure what this is yet. I haven't really looked into it. Polls, you can have a poll for your video. This is just crazy how they're trying to get people to engage, not just watch your video, but also to engage with it. So you can create a poll anywhere, you know, you can somewhere right here if it matters, or in the beginning. It's just really impressive. I'm impressed with what Facebook's trying to do with video. So the video details, I think this is one of my favorite parts right now. Okay, so this is like the naming conventions between me and my editor. This is Q1. So this is for my Friday show that's generally on YouTube. Like every Friday I answer a question about dance or social media marketing and business. You know, it's generally a Q&A show every Friday. Okay, cool. Boom, that's the title. And then from here I can start answer. I treat this similarly to as a hybrid between YouTube, you know, descriptions and Facebook status updates. I think the difference is I don't use SEO strategies with it. I don't use video SEO. So I'm just gonna keep this super general right now for the sake of this video, and keep it short. That's done. You can add video tags. So hip hop dance, if that exists. It used to exist. Hip hop. Hippo. There you go. Hip hop dance. I don't know why it wasn't popping up before. Cool. And you can check in. This is what I love. You can start adding the places where you're at. So this place was at an office called the Dillon. I don't know if it's publicly available or even if it's on here. But here, if your video is an interview or it's a vlog and there's you're with people, I can, like, say I add a vlog with my girlfriend. Boom. I could look her up. Talion. Boom. That's where she is. Or you can say you were teaching a workshop, you can tag the workshop you were at. So, and then it brings more attention. It's a great way of distributing your content, because you're not just sharing your content, you're also now notifying the people who were involved, the places involved, and you can even go as far as dating when that video was posted, or this video was created. Okay, and if you have your own products, okay, assuming that you have to have your Facebook store set up for this to happen, but if you have a product, you can tag the product that's being used in the video. So it's pretty awesome. And then once you're done doing all the details here, you know, you got a nice title, a very human-like description. You don't want to sound too robotic or salesy or anything like that. Just talk like how you normally would. Tag the people, check in, all the necessary details, add the necessary tags you need, thumbnails, details, distribute it to all the other pages, captions if you have any. Subtitles are, like, honestly the last thing on my mind right now, though I know it'll probably help in the long run. So from here you can schedule your publication, your video in this, and then pick the date. You know, just Grow Friday. I'm just gonna say the 23rd because I'm not. No, this is question 1. So I think this will be on the 2nd. Okay, let me just double check my content calendar here real quick, guys. Yeah. Actually, number 23. November 23. Okay. Make sure you have a content calendar as well. Helps keep things organized. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Cool. Once that's done, let's double check. I'm just gonna preview it to see what it looks like. So that's where you can preview your post. Okay, and there it is. All the other videos that are gonna come up next to it, after it, I mean. And I think we're good. So save, and it's scheduled. So what that does, let's backtrack real quick to the publishing tools for Facebook. Alright, so just coming from here from your main page, so we can keep things easier in terms of following through. Okay, so go back to the publishing tools. Then you should see right here the video. I don't know. Oh, I was about to say, well, I don't know why it was shown twice, but it's different videos. So now you see now you see the name, the descriptions, the tags. You can update everything here. Okay, and I think, let's see, scheduled. Yep. I think everything's good. Let's see. download video. You can download the video. Yeah. So you see why I like it. So you get more in-depth control for when you upload the videos. So if I go back here, a lot of the videos I've been sharing don't exactly have the titles, the descriptions, the tags, and people have checked in, because I've been uploading it through later, because I just upload a lot of my micro content through Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, not YouTube, and Twitter here. What that does is it uploads obviously a video here, but it doesn't have the we can't edit the same details as we can on the Creator Studio for Facebook. But what you can do, if you have the time to do it, is you can go back and edit the video. Then you can start adding the title here, add the thumbnail here, and publish and just change it up. So that way you give it the proper details that I think each video should have. All right, so that's it. A quick tutorial on showing you guys how to upload bulk videos onto your Facebook page, the advantages of uploading to Facebook natively versus you using it versus using a third-party platform, and the opportunity I think that exists if you start uploading more original long-form content to Facebook, because then you start becoming more eligible for Facebook Watch. Alright, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys got any questions, feel free to hit us up in the comment section. If it's your first time on the channel, every week we share with you guys social media marketing and business tips, and even creative tips. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching Vision Paradox TV, and I'll catch you guys next time.